This isn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be. I am so excited to do this. I've been planning this all year. I have a really fun decoration in mind for them. Stay tuned. I've been waiting and waiting to do this since we moved in this house, and this is what I started with. Mark is holding the bowls that I got at the dollar store, and then I painted the outside with some acrylic paint. He is now going to drill some small holes into the sides of the bowls so we can attach them with wire. I bought this large box of plastic tablecloth in bulk from Amazon, and I'm going to now... We need to cut this tablecloth into strips for the beard, and Mark went out there, measured, and he said it was 56 inches long, so I'm going to double that so we can tie it on and it'll be double the length. So 56 times 2, what is that?
112.
112, okay. So I'm going to pull it out. So now I have my long piece of plastic, and I am going to fold it up smaller so I can cut through multiple layers at a time. I have this little handy ruler, and I'm going to measure. This is a folded edge, so I'm actually going to cut it at 1 inch because I want 2-inch pieces. 2-inch wide seems like a good amount to have beards, so it's kind of hard. This blade isn't super sharp, so sometimes I have to press really hard and it doesn't always go all the way through. And this is what it looks like. You have these long pieces, and he's gonna just tie this onto the beard. Hooking 3 bows together. One bow wasn't even enough. It was very dwarfed in comparison. Haha, dwarfed. I wish I had to make them. So I have several rolls of this ribbon, and how I make the bows is you're gonna make several loops. Just like lay it on the floor. Piece of wire. And you just fluff by pulling the bow in the opposite directions, each loop of the bow. This is what it kind of looks like. Nice big bow. Okay, so I've already done this, but I sourced some chicken coop wire and we cut it to 3-foot pieces. And we measured here on these trees to go about halfway around them. They're quite large. My husband and I spent hours cutting apart plastic tablecloths and tying them onto the chicken coop wire, and I'm hoping that the wind doesn't just blow them around. And I used a bungee cord to hook them on, but hopefully it will get better. Keep working on it.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas.
I'm thinking I need to add white underneath and maybe raise them up. This isn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be. And I used a bungee cord to hook them on, but hopefully it will get better. Keep working on it.
My parents are both liars. I got gifts but 1 subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for
This is a lot harder than it looks.
after.
Like how the ladder leaning up against the tree and he's trying to bow on.
Looking for
It's
Santa with
sketchy.
lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man.